We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and some of the most mispronounced words in English as well. Words that have silent letters, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So yes, the H at the beginning of this word is always silent. So the British, in British English, this is normally said as honesty. You do want to stress on the first syllable, on the O syllable, honesty. In American English, however, it is usually said as honesty, honesty. So a more open R sound at the beginning in American English, honesty, versus honesty in British English. And now you know it all. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.